Welcome to DynamicsMinds. Welcome to Slovenia. Welcome to Portorož. Let's see. What we have seen in this AI interface is how simple it is to create any functionality that supports the AI functionality. You don't have to be an expert or a developer to do the functionality in the settings. All you need to do is to prompt, and there are functions that understand your queries and ready to respond in a very reasonable manner that give you the chances to manage the implementation or setting or anything within the AI, and it will create everything in the business intelligence application here. After the business intelligence model is deployed and processed, then Power BI reports are connected to the model. All the reports that you can see here are coming out of the box for all application area, and they are really nicely structured so that you don't have to waste time on configuration. This is, for example, the sales, finance with financial statement. When you look into any application area, what you can see here that anywhere you are, you can go to the document level granularity. It will give you exactly the details of specific document. Even there are millions of the documents anywhere here. Another part is everywhere that we have, it's data are available in local and into the corporate currency. And we have calendar and fiscal date calendar for any of the setup that company is using. And there are some specifics. We have more than 100 manufacturing projects. These are usually complex and intense projects that we do. Plus, another vertical very popular with BI4Dynamics is the retail. We have done again throughout the world, from Hong Kong to Alaska, more than 100 retail projects too. And this functionality all comes out of the box on day one of implementation.